back, guys. I'm here once more, but I made a quick unboxing. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Seems very well packaged. And it looks like there is a ton of foam pellets or something. That'll be interesting trying to get all this stuff out of there, but I'm glad that it is well packaged. There is a sheet for a return. Should anything be broken, let's hope nothing is broken. That would really suck. What we have here seems like a VR device. Sometimes it was only $50, so it definitely did not break the bank to get this. And it is the Oculus K2 kit, so Oculus 2 kit. And I have to be careful with the lenses because, again, as usual, if they get the light, whatever, they could break. And so I'll have to be careful of that. Let's see what else comes in the box. Seems to be some cables or whatnot. Not sure if anything else is in there because there's just so much of this strange looking foam in there, but I think that might be all. So we'll open this up and we'll see what that's all about. And we'll see if the experience is what it's all cracked out to do, because these used to be extremely expensive machines back in the day when they came out, and now you can get them for like $50. So that's definitely a good deal. And since I'm not picky about stuff and I'm okay with hand-me-downs, hopefully we can get a good experience out of this. So we got a charging cable here. We have what looks to be an HDMI cable of some sort. I hope it's the kind that I can use on my computer, otherwise I'm going to be in trouble. And I'm not sure what this is for, but I guess maybe for the audio. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.